Hello everyone. You can skip the timestamp here if you want to go to the tutorial again, but basically this is gonna be another tutorial. This is gonna be a better version of this tutorial right here. This will actually fix some problems that you guys are encountering, which is like cannot find the file specified, or this thing right here, or some other things like fatal error in launcher, all that stuff. Hopefully this video fixes all of that. If you guys still have problems after this, just contact me in discord.mepol. I'll try to add you guys, and try to help you guys as soon as I can. I'll actually gonna shout out this guy right here, since one of his friends actually fixed the issue, of us getting a problem, which is this one right here. Cannot find the file specified. That's the issue that we were having. I tried my best to help him out, but we end up getting stuck on that error. But he did have a friend that is much more better than me, much more, is an actual expert, because I'm not good at this, coding. I just do whatever I want, all that random shit, and that's it. So he made these two Python files right here. He edited it. His friend did. His friend edited it. I don't know what he edited here. Um, like I just don't know what he edited here. I just know that he edited this. I used it, and then I did a lot of testing, and it actually worked. I never get any errors after that. So I'll show you guys how to 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 use Whisper locally. This time a better tutorial for you guys. Let's get started. So these two files right here, and actually these four files right here, are gonna be in the Google Drive down below in the description. You guys can download them, and this is the desktop waifu master. I just installed here in the GitHub, easily just here, code, download zip. That's it. So now, um, what you guys need to do is, copy runner.py, go to the waifu folder, src, and you guys can see the runner.py, just paste it right there. Replace file, and that's it. Go back, go to transcriber.py, copy it, and then just go back to the runner.py, and then utils, paste it, replace, and that's it. That's the two files done. Now we're not done yet, because we're gonna do like the env ones and stuff. Now I'm gonna be putting these two bat files on the right here. Of course, replace this. The reason why I made two batch files is that for this one is gonna be for installing. This one is just gonna start the file itself. Since the old start.bat, it always installs it, even though you already have it installed. So it's just gonna take a few minutes to actually get it start. So I just wanted to like skip all that. I edited it so it does that. As you guys can see here, I deleted it, and in the install I did the same, but just has this. So now we're not done yet. We're not gonna go install it just yet, since we're gonna do one more. We just go to waifu, go to pyenv.config, and as you can see here, it's gonna be this one right here. You need to change this home. Close that. Close backspace, and you need to change it to your Python folder. Python path actually. So to find your Python path, go search up. Go press home. Python 3.10. Make sure you have Python 3.10 though. I don't know if other version of Python will work. I'm not gonna test it because I think there's gonna be errors, and I just don't want more errors. So go open file location, right click again, open file location. If you're in Windows 10, it's basically the same. Just go open file location until you go to app data, local programs, Python, or whatever, wherever your Python is. So just copy this path right here, which has the python.exe in. Copy that and then paste it right there. Save and close it. And that's it. That's you're gonna do. We can now move on to installation. Before that, actually, we need the env file. I already have my env file right here, but I'll just show you guys one setting here, the which is this one right here, torch the device, because some people, including me, actually want to use this, this desktop waifu to use my GPU. So it's so much faster and, it responds a lot quicker rather than CPU. But, some people wanted CPU. I'll be showing you guys a method on how to use the cuda version, but, I'll do it later. We're gonna install this first. So that's the thing that I just wanted to elaborate on env. You need to put OpenAI key, even though we're not gonna use OpenAI key. We're not gonna use it because we're not gonna use their API. But some reason this this program needs the OpenAI. I didn't bother trying to remove it. I just put your OpenAI here, OpenAI key. Make sure you have, character here as well. If you want to, you can use the character AI key, the login AI key. It's a bit tricky to find it, but I personally don't use it. I just use this character AI, the character. Make sure translate to JP is at false, because for me, I'll use English. TTS to true on English, and JP to false. And that's it for the env file. Let's move on to actually installing. So go open command prompt, make sure you're in the path, of course, and type install that bat. Enter. And this is gonna install like all the dependencies. I'll see you guys later once this done. All right, now installation is now complete. Press any key to continue. Make sure to not close this. You don't want to close this because we're gonna be installing one more thing here, which is pip install OpenAI-Whisper. Make sure it has OpenAI-Whisper, because back then I was, trying to install only Whisper and it's giving me errors. I just don't know why. So do this, okay? That's kind of dumb of me. I don't know if on video I did that. I kind of forgot, but OpenAI Whisper. Enter, install it, and it'll do some more installing. Oh, well, it's finished. So now, for the env, the torch again, for this one right here. So if you're gonna be using CPU, you don't need to do this other stuff that I'm gonna do. You don't need to do it. You can proceed to the timestamp above. But if you're gonna be using GPU, just make sure that this is on CUDA. Now, I'm using an nvidia GPU right here. Now, I don't know about AMD GPUs. I just don't have an AMD GPU myself, so that's why I don't really know how for them. But if you're an NVIDIA user, just do this. Just do these steps. Go to your Chrome or browser. Type in here pytorch.org, and then on the other side, in the other tab, make sure to go CUDA Toolkit 11.8. Now, this version will actually depend on PyTorch, since right here it says here 11.8. So I just put in here 11.8, of course. CUDA Toolkit download, and then just download it from this site, from NVIDIA itself. Windows, that version, I'm on Windows 11, network or local. And that's it. You just need to install it. I already have it installed. If you want to check if you have it installed and have the correct version, go to your command prompt, just add another one, type in there nvcc dash dash version, and you'll see it right here, 11.8. Mine, cuda 11.8. So I have that installed already. I can close that, and now we're in PyTorch. Now make sure that these settings are in here: stable, Windows, pip, Python, and then the CUDA version, which is we installed 11.8. And then just copy this until install. You don't need to copy the pip3 because we're gonna be going pip, paste it here. Make sure you're in the waifu environment. This is what I mean by make sure you're in the waifu environment. If you have this waifu at the start of the command prompt, it means that you're in the waifu environment. If you don't have it, it means you aren't. So that's why you're here. If you did accidentally close this command prompt, just go back to cmd, install it again, install that bat, and you'll be end up going back here again. So press enter, and it says here that you already have it installed. Actually, we don't want to install this. We need to uninstall Torch first and then reinstall it. Yes, there we go. We uninstalled it and then reinstall it. We need to uninstall and reinstall it again, so it actually uses your GPU. So be right back, I guess. All right, now it's done. It should be done. Now that's basically everything we need to install. We can close this and go back to our file explorer. We can close this. And then now we can actually start the bat. CMD, again, start that bat. And this is my second take on this video, and I keep forgetting my OpenAI key, so hold on, guys. All right, now that's done. That's actually done now. Let's close this again. Let's try it again. Command prompt, start that bat, and then enter, and we wait. Oh yeah, more installation. Be right back then. There we go. WebSocket connected. WebSocket connected. Now, oh yeah, I forgot I don't have VTube Studio. Let me open it real quick. All right. Now, for the problem with this guy right here, this one, like I have the same problem, all this. Send message via webhook. When I finish recording, I get this error. Now, the reason why you guys are getting that error, oh yeah, make sure this is allowed. The reason why you guys are getting this error is that you guys should wait. You guys would see this authenticated fetching character AI info. Make sure to wait for this. Make sure to wait for the character name, the greetings, the character AI. If this pops up, then you can speak to the AI. But if it doesn't and somehow gave you an error, just try to restart it. Restart the program. Restart the program again. All you have to do, just Control C, Y, and then just CLS, start that path. That's it. Just restart it. Restart it until you see the, all that stuff that I saw right here, authenticating. Make sure it's allowed. Just wait for it, and now it's here. And then you can now talk. Now, of course, I'm just gonna make this lower because this makes my ears, it's too loud. It's too loud for me. So let's just try to talk. Hello, good morning. Even though it's afternoon. So it's gonna be transcribing. Hello, good morning. Now, if you're using a CPU, there's gonna be like a oh yep, she's talking now.
She seems to snap to attention, her head swiveling to face you and immediately bowing, like a robot with a stiff neck, but also like a maid being well trained. Hello, how may I do? She stops for a second and shakes her head, trying to clear her thoughts and think of what to say.
So I can actually talk.
Serve you, my new master. Is there something in need of doing?
You guys may actually find like an FPS 32 or something like that. It's using CPU something like that, it means that you're just using CPU. If you don't have like that error, not error actually, just that, it means that you're using GPU, just like mine. Now this is using Whisper, I think small. There's like different small here. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna check. Yeah, these are the models. I think I am using small here, which requires 2 gigs of VRAM. You guys can, I think you guys can change this. I just forgot where I put this. Hold on, give me a second then. I'm gonna try to find it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. That's kind of dumb of me. So just go to the transcriber.py that I showed you earlier right here. And you guys can change the model from here. If you guys want small, just put it small. If you guys want, let's say medium, which needs 5 gigabytes of RAM, VRAM, just put it here, medium. But I use small, of course, and it will download the model. It's right here, like it's 769 MB. I think that's the size of it. I don't know. I forgot where to find the models here. It should be saved there, but that's how you change the model. I'm very sorry for some people that actually trying to find some answers that I didn't get to answer you guys. It's been over 5 months. I've been busy. I've been really, doing schoolworks, all that stuff, real life situations. That's why I've been very inactive in this repo. But right now, this month or maybe next year, um, I'll try to be as a bit active. I'll try to help out as much people as I can. And again, just add me Discord.maple. And yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys, and I'll see you guys then. Bye bye.